Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some genius tips to help you save serious cash at the grocery store. We all know how brutal those grocery bills can be, but trust me, with a few strategic moves you can keep your wallet happy and your fridge full. We're talking about practical, actionable strategies that anyone can use, no matter how big or small your grocery budget is. So if you're ready to slash your grocery spending and keep more money in your pocket, let's get started. First up, we're talking about the golden rule of grocery shopping. Never, and I mean never, step foot in a grocery store without a list. This is your secret weapon against those tempting impulse buys that can seriously wreck your budget. Before you even think about heading to the store, take some time to plan out your meals for the week. Check your pantry and fridge for what you already have, and then write down exactly what you need to buy. Coupons, discounts, and loyalty programs are your new best friends. I used to think coupons were a waste of time, but trust me, they can save you a small fortune. Before you head to the store, spend a few minutes browsing through coupon apps or websites and check for weekly deals in your local grocery store flyers. Look for coupons on items you regularly buy and stock up when they're on sale. Next up, let's talk about buying in bulk. Now, this doesn't mean you have to buy a year's supply of toilet paper, but buying certain items in larger quantities can save you money in the long run. Think about the things you use consistently, like rice, beans, pasta, or spices. These are usually cheaper per unit when you buy them in bulk. However, be realistic about your consumption habits. Don't buy a giant tub of something if you know it'll expire before you can finish it. Chapter 4. Don't be afraid of generic brands. Let's be real, sometimes those name-brand products have us fooled into thinking they're superior. But here's the truth. In many cases, generic or store-brand products are just as good as their name-brand counterparts, and they often come at a fraction of the price. Don't be afraid to experiment and try out different generic options. You might be surprised at how much you can save without sacrificing quality. Chapter 5. Shop with a full stomach. Ever noticed how everything looks more appealing when you're hungry? That's because your stomach is basically playing tricks on your brain, making you crave all sorts of things you wouldn't normally buy. Avoid grocery shopping on an empty stomach at all costs. When you're hungry, your willpower goes out the window, and you're more likely to make impulse purchases you'll regret later. Chapter 6. Become a price comparison master. Don't assume that one store always has the best prices. Different stores often have different pricing strategies, so it pays to shop around and compare prices. Take a few minutes to browse through online grocery apps or websites, or check out the weekly flyers from different stores in your area. You might be surprised at how much prices can vary for the same items. Chapter 7. Embrace seasonal eating. Seasonal fruits and vegetables are not only fresher and more flavorful, but they're also generally cheaper. That's because they're in abundance, which means lower prices for you. Check out your local farmer's market for the best deals on seasonal produce, or look for sales at your local grocery store. Chapter 8. Plan your meals like a boss. Meal planning is your secret weapon for avoiding those last-minute, desperate trips to the grocery store where you end up spending way more than you intended. Take some time each week to plan out your breakfast, lunch, and dinner menus. This will help you create a more accurate shopping list and prevent you from buying unnecessary items. Chapter 9. Ditch the prepackaged foods. Prepackaged foods, while convenient, can really put a dent in your budget. Plus, they're often loaded with preservatives and unhealthy additives. Opt for fresh ingredients whenever possible. Cooking from scratch might take a bit more effort, but it's generally healthier and more affordable in the long run. Chapter 10. Loyalty programs, your ticket to savings. Don't underestimate the power of loyalty programs. Many grocery stores offer loyalty cards or apps that give you access to exclusive discounts, rewards points, and personalized offers. These programs are usually free to join, and they can lead to significant savings over time. Start saving today. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more money-saving advice. Remember, saving money at the grocery store isn't about depriving yourself, it's about being smart, and making informed choices. With a little planning and effort, you can keep your grocery budget in check and still enjoy delicious, healthy food. See you next time.